welcome to
The
Tiny Tutor. Tutorial number
19.
the last 6 facts.
Seriously,
There's only 6 left.
more.
Seriously.
Yeah.
So if you guys have been following us, you'll know that we've been slowly filling in our addition chart. This orange part is all that we have left. We've taught you count up 1, count up 2. We've taught you doubles. We've taught you near doubles. We've taught you how to make 10 extended. Okay, so on the floor here, I have the last 6 facts. Here we go, Mac. 3 plus 5, otherwise known as 5 plus 3. What's the best and fastest strategy for you to answer that addition fact?
Just count up 3.
Start with a big number and you count on. How about this one? 4 plus 6. What's the best and fastest strategy to answer this one?
For this equation, you would put 4 and then
Equation.
for this equation you would put 4 on the 10 frame and then fill all the blanks. That's the easiest way.
And 4 plus 6 makes what? 10. Great. 7 plus 3, what's the fastest way?
Just count up 3. 7, 8, 9, 10.
7 plus 3 makes 10. Another way to make 10, it would fill one 10 frame. 7 plus 5, what's the best strategy to answer this one? You're going to make 10 extended. You're going to need 2 10 frames on your sheet. 7 on the first frame, 5 on the second frame. How many are we going to take from 3 to fill in the 3 from frame 1? And then we have 10 and 2 makes
12.
So 7 plus 5 is also the same as 10 plus 2. 4 plus 7. It's more than 1 or 2 or 3, so we don't want to count on. Does it go past 10? Should we make 10 extended? 2 10 frames? Show us how it's done, Mac. 7 plus 4, otherwise known as 4 plus 7. And she has 7 on 10 frame number 1. She has 4 on 10 frame number 2. She's going to take 3 from her second frame and move them
11.
into the empty spots of frame 1, and she is left with 10 plus 1, which is 11. And what do we always do at the Tiny Tutor? We take our flashcards and we make a fact family. We'll show you with one of them. Let's go back to 5 plus 3, which is what? Count up.
8.
8. So we write 8 on the back, which means 3 plus 5 is also 8, which means 8 minus 5 is
3.
and 8 minus 3 is
5.
And then the best part, parents, you go to your addition chart and you fill in the orange part. 3 and 5 is 8. The last 6 facts, you can also do a speed round. You can put out a bunch of different flashcards and you can call out a strategy like this. Matt, can you point to the flashcards that use counting on? 5 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 3. Good. Now, Matt, can you point to the flashcards that use make 10, that fill one 10 frame? 4 plus 6. Now, point to the flashcards that use make 10 extended. 7 plus 5 and 4 plus 7.